a wellness workshop for men and women. Based on bestseller Mum's List, a true story about Kate Green's journey with cancer, this workshop reflects Kate's legacy for humanity, inspiring us to live with greater purpose, gratitude, and joy.
And writing those lists and putting her heart and soul into them helped me create Mum's List. It's an incredible, powerful piece of memory. I did lose my soulmate, but at the end of the day, we've got something that she's left behind. Another life-changing person walked into my life, and that would be Derek O'Neill.
Martial arts sensei, international renowned psychotherapist, and spiritual mentor to the stars, Derek O'Neill has created a powerful new format to accelerate personal transformation. Designed to facilitate deep healing and inspiration while imparting practical, proven methodologies that empower people to live their best life no matter what life brings.
We're about sharing. We're about having fun. We're about using all these techniques that are around us all the time. All the time. And that's when you begin to grow into this wonderment that we call life. And believe me, it is wonderment.
The teachings and the experience we all share, Derek offered me an opportunity and an invitation to return to who I am without the limitations that I put upon myself from the past, and I'm grateful for it.
Loss, stress, illness, and fear impacts all of our lives and brings about questions that confront the very meaning of our existence.
I believe that it is time that people showed up to occupy their life. That's when hope is created. It's from that space that everything is possible.
I think everybody wants their life to be meaningful, and they want a manual for living, and life is so hectic and so chaotic, and there's so many challenges that we get distracted, and Derek brings you to the heart of everything.
There is a blueprint of life, and what that blueprint actually does is there is always an event that is going to happen in your life. How you react to that event is actually going to create the next manifestation or the next part of your life.
It's made me a lot more grounded, and it's helped me in my life, on not just in my job but in my personal life as well, and I feel that I'm more peaceful, more content, and more positive.
There are 58 people who have took training so that they can do these workshops all over the world for anybody who wants them, based on a proven formula. These workshops are not being run by psychologists, psychiatrists and psychotherapists. These are being run by people who are on a spiritual path and who have been in difficulty in their own life at some stage and found a way out. And they now just want to share that way out with you. Came to a workshop to learn how to live and not just survive, which most of us are doing.
Private workshops for groups and organizations available.